Take this to an expensive dealership right now. This could be 1955.
This has got to be the most New Zealand thing there is. Sheep on a gravel road next to a lake. Good morning! What a place to wake up, isn't it? So quite a lot of newcomers to the channel. So my name is Max, I'm Dutch and I'm driving in New Zealand around the South Island right now. Today I'll be driving to Wānaka. I stay at a family's place. The check engine light is now turned on. Oil is good. I don't really know what could be wrong. There could be many things. There's a Royal Enfield shop in Wānaka, so figure out a solution from there. Clyde just has to hold on for 2 hours. I'm sure he can do that. There's a lot of stuff that can go wrong on a trip, and usually everything that can go wrong does go wrong. And now it's Clyde that wants some attention, so time to give Clyde some love in Wānaka. I made it. So the text said it might be difficult to find. If you can find this road, it should be here, and otherwise give me a call. Must be on that side. How do I get on that side? Oh, talk about living secluded. Wow, what a cool place. This is just odd. What are people doing here? Playing golf? Fishing? Both? Right. There he is. I suppose he's gonna tell me where to go.
Oh, you sort of made it. Yeah, we're hiding from the internet.
Well, I'm glad I made it this far.
So get back on that road, turn right.
Almost made it. Might be one too early. Yeah, it's one too early. Oh yeah, I think this is the one. It has the correct number. He said lunch is ready. I'm looking forward to lunch. And a hot shower. Oh, a hot shower. Last time I had a shower, well, I shouldn't really tell YouTube that. No, it's not it.
Closer.
That's the surface. Now I feel bad for not finding it. This is a beautiful place. They've got their own lake and horses. Hey, horses. Loads of horses. That must be the workshop. That must be the house. I can't tell which is which. That's funny. What a beautiful place. Good to see you. Thanks for having me.
Having a good time?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Having a good time. I mean, that light is bugging me a bit, but
it might be just the service due.
yeah.
And it's so frustrating. Modern machinery brings up a warning light, but it doesn't tell you what it is. For heating, low oil. What the?
Yeah, exactly. What's the point?
Yeah, exactly. You could say that. Take this to an expensive dealership right now.
All right.
I'm sure it'll be nothing.
Nah.
I mean, it's not.
Hi.
Is it going well?
Yeah, always good. Always good.
There's a warning light, like the Jeep, but it doesn't say what it is.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I didn't do any sightseeing today. I just drove straight to here and.
Probably would have seen most of the sites just on the road anyway.
Yeah, it was a beautiful ride. Honestly, the what's it called? Lindis Pass. Lindis Pass. Yeah.
Well, she's travelling light still.
Yeah, that's all.
Pair of socks, one toothbrush.
Yeah, I do have to do some laundry.
Oh, well, get your gear off, come inside, have a cup of coffee, and then...
Oh, that would be lovely, thank you.
You know the Royal Enfield story, right? So we're talking the 1940s, 1950s.
Yeah.
So, 1948, they get independence, still a highly undeveloped country.
Yeah.
And it's a phenomenal story about how they just kept making what they knew, and they never progressed.
No.
So they were still making motorcycles exactly like this up to 2000 and beyond.
So this essentially this could be in the year 80s.
No, this could be 1955. What happened was the world started to, and they're still making those old things over there, and it started to get out into the rest of the world, and then they started realising, hey, we've tapped into a retro market that we didn't even know we had.
Yeah.
And so they're starting to move out of that retro style now. But right up until here even, that they were deliberately capitalising on what they realised was that desire for a retro styling.
Yeah.
But the funny thing is, they didn't do it deliberately. They just already had it. Yeah.
What a warm welcome by Pete and Shirley. Love this place. Gorgeous to be living in this area, right? So good to have a warm shower. Just driving to a lookout point of Lake Wānaka. The family is rowing at the lake, so I'm gonna have a look. This must be the rowing club. See if I can spot them. I've been told it gets ridiculously busy. There were already about 10 people photographing that tree in the morning. It gets even crazier. Moving on to a nice lookout point. Well, that was some nice riding and some nice lookout points. I think the plan of today is just to do nothing. I haven't done nothing in ages, so I might just as well relax. So good morning. Nothing to see here, just Pete and me going out for a little ride. First a stop at the Royal Enfield workshop. See if we can get Clyde a surface and a new tire if possible. They're probably quite busy, so I don't expect it will be today. And then I'll move on to some off-road riding. So it's gonna be fun. Been doing some side quests. But now it's time for some fun riding. Oh, very nice. This is probably Pete's first stop of the tour. Cool. Bit of a busy spot.
All along here, all these families are water skiing, playing the boats all day long. But it's a really cool spot, Max. It's like right by the town. Sometimes Phil and I bring a pizza in the evening, and you know, it's just an absolute gem for the town. One more little stop to look out at top of town and we can see the whole thing. So we'll be at the shop in 10 minutes.
Yeah, alright. That is good.
That was the lookout I was trying to tell you about yesterday.
Yes.
When I do my tours for visitors, this is usually my start point. Up there is the Cardrona Valley. That's the road to Queenstown. They call this Roy's Bay, and there's Ely Point where we were. Can't quite see it, but the rowing club is in the trees, and that island, we will be going to that island at some point. It's just like a fairy tale. So you can see, Max, this is, you know, just the beginning of summer, but all winter, all of that is white all winter. So you stand down there or stand up here, it's highly dramatic.
Yeah.
And you know, it's what Wanaka is, you know, it's the lake and mountain.
It's beautiful.
And so I'm gonna gas up, and Powersports is right next to the gas station.
So here it is. Managed to get it serviced tomorrow. Yeah, it really needs a new tire, and luckily they have one. So tomorrow, 10 o'clock, quick little service and a new tire, and then Clyde is good to go again. Absolutely lucky to find a spot here. It's quite busy. So happy with that. On to the riding.
So that's Lake Hāwea there,
Oh yeah.
Hāwea town.
Oh, wife's calling. Oh, nice. Oh, that's fun. The lake. Very nice. Wow. You don't get back roads like this in the Netherlands. Oh, the river. Ah, it's a good day. I'd camp here. Beautiful. Oh, that's a way to park it. Beautiful.
I thought you'd like that.
I just washed Clyde.
You see mine? It's all clean because I'm in the front.
Get a good shot. Wow. What a time to be alive, eh? Wow. I found my new favorite activity. There you go. Oh, that's not a smart one. This has got to be the most New Zealand thing there is. Sheep on the road. On a gravel road next to a lake. And a mountain. Isn't it beautiful? The scenery. Too bad my drone is still broken. Should be able to fix it in a few days when the parts arrive. This isn't a good Royal Enfield Himalayan ad, then I don't know anymore, man. This is so much fun. Wow. Bottomed out there. I think this might actually be Wanaka Part 1, the first vlog of Wānaka, and I'll end it here. Had a lovely ride. We made it back. It's been fun at Wānaka, just a beautiful place to be and a beautiful place to stay. It's great to stay at Pete and Shirley. In the next one, have a look at the fireworks at New Year's Eve, and after that, the big one, the Milford Sound one. Stay tuned, thanks for watching again, loved all the comments. I just love this machine. So much fun. See you in the next one. Bye.